Yo, what's good? It's your boy Unbox King, unboxing all the good things in life, coming at you with another video of a personal grail of mine by Guzman, his Elevate sculpture. Alright guys, so let's get into it. First thing you're going to notice is that the box is matte black, smooth to the touch, and then there's going to be a couple bar illustrations on the side, as well as the back side, other side, and then in the front you're going to see Elevate as well as personal signature, and then on the top as well you're going to see his personal signature and a bar illustration. So at the top there's a pull tab to open it, and this was actually first seen in the Taipei Toy Festival of 2018. It was first put on sale in Complex Con as well as his RSVP gallery and his personal website. So first thing you notice, it's a box inside of another box. So you're gonna have Elevate in the front, and then another bar, and then another bar illustration as well. And then at the top you're gonna see a personal signature. The silver one is his personal signature, and then the white is his signature that actually comes on the box. To actually open up the box, you're gonna pull at the top. There's little drawstrings on the side, holds it up real nice. And then I bought this from eBay, and the guy that bought it, he actually bought it at the RSVP shop, and that's the actual receipt. And he actually got it personally signed by Guzman. So this is why it's a personal grail of mine, and I hold it so near and dear to me. So right here you have the certificate of authentication. Right in the back you're going to see of the certificate of authentication, you're going to see in the back, warning, adult collectible. This sculpture is for ages 15 and up. There may be extremely small and sharp product parts included within the package. Thank you. And then so that's the back of it right there. And then the box right here, you're going to see it opens up just like this. You're going to see the same right there, Guzman, born 1989. Elevate 2018 vinyl sculpture, 21.59 centimeters, as well as another signature of his. So we're going to open it up. It's a nice velvety cover foam that covers up the bar. As you can see, he's nice and snug. Let's take him out. Alright guys, so here it is, the sculpture of Bart Simpson by Guzman. This pose is actually the iconic pose from the intro of The Simpsons, where Homer is about to run him over on his signature skateboard. Now the weight, he does have some weight to him. He's about 8 inches tall. Like I told you guys before, this is one of the pieces that I bought off of a guy that actually went to the RSVP gallery when Guzman was there, and he actually not only got the box signed, but he actually got the bottom of the sculpture signed, which is amazing. Why I truly cherish this piece. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and drop those down below. Let me know how you like the actual piece. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on the Guzman Elevate vinyl sculpture. If you guys haven't seen any of my past unboxing videos, go ahead and go to my channel and check those out. Last but not least, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for any future unboxing videos. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.